Next pallet coming through. All right, secure this one first before the next load. Clear the dock, we need to move these faster. Copy that. Bringing the next load out now.
Keep them moving, and we need to clear this shipment fast.
Transferring the next crate to the belt. Ensure that batch hits the target weight exactly.
It's calibrated, and I am just finalizing the last piece now.
Manual records ensure traceability for each batch. The documentation confirms quality standards are maintained.
Increase the power output slightly to maintain the speed. Done.
Monitoring the blade alignment now for precision.
Quality check on line 3, seasoning levels look good.
Confirmed. The flow rate is steady.
Even coating depends on proper mixing. We adjust the settings to prevent clumps or uneven texture.
Temperature set for the next cycle.
Timer reset, dropping in 2 minutes.
the gap on the left.
Okay, slide it over. Is that enough room for the ventilation?
Yeah, that looks good. Keeps the cold air moving.
Make sure that stack is straight. We can't have any overhangs. Yeah, got it.
Move the forklift closer.
This section's inventory count is accurate according to the shipment list.
Confirmed. The records are updated for distribution planning.
Easy, easy. Keep it centered. All right, secure that stack first. Thumbs up when ready. All right, bring the next one in.
Got it. Moving now.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Reefers at temp, seals checked and verified.
Doors secured. Ready for transit, boss.
This shipment ID looks off. Did you verify the prefix manually?
Yes, I double-checked it against the bill of lading. It's correct.
This batch is cleared for tracking.
Hygiene standards met. We are approved for the next shift.
This sequence maximizes machine utilization for the first run.
We'll need to adjust the shift schedules to match the material delivery.
Powering up the main conveyor now.
Check the alignment sensors before we start the run.
We need to move faster on this side.
Bring the next pallet up now.
Watch the ramp. It's clear.
This lot looks good to go. Quality check approved.
Moving to the next station.
Mix duration complete. Stopping the batch.
The color consistency is approved for batch 107.
Time check on fryer 1.
Coming up now. Pressure is steady.
Looks good, nice and crispy. Move that pallet to aisle 5. Keep it chilled. Copy that. Moving now.
Bay 4, confirm status on shipment 722.
Confirmed on tablet. Records updated. Ready to load.
Clear the bay door.
Backing up now.
Is this one secure?
All right, slowly now. Keep it steady. Almost there. Looks good.
All trucks accounted for and on schedule.
Copy that. Dispatch confirms green light.
Don't miss the seams. Ensure thorough cleaning, and we cannot have any contamination in this batch.
Preventive maintenance reduces downtime. Humans control adjustments.
All right, team, safety checks complete on line 3. Let's power up.
Confirmed. Starting sequence now.
All right, team, let's start the morning shift. Monitor the automated systems closely and maintain peak efficiency. Production begins now.
As you can see, the crispy exterior is forming nicely. The pressure ensures the moisture stays locked in tight.
Chicken output temperature is ideal.
And get some meat from.
Safety parameters confirmed. System running normally. The shipment for line 3 is ready to go.
Copy that. Moving the crates now.